If I feel like a list building as become slow, messy, and way too manual, this product is woordellook. I list building mastery is built to help you use I for lead magnets, emails, funnels, and traffic content, so you can work smarter instead of doing everything from scratch. iList Building Mastery is an AI-assisted training course for email marketing and list building. It is aimed at beginners, seeders, freelancers, and online business owners who want practical workflows instead of complicated terrain. The whole idea is simpler, we say to speed up the repetitive parts of marketing, so you can focus on growing your audience and staying consistent. The sales pasje does a goed job of explaining the real problem. Traditional list building can be stressful. I need lead magnets, emails, funnels, content, and traffic, and if I try to do all of that manually, it can become overwhelming fast. This course is positioned as a smarter, more manageable way to handle those tasks with AI support. This looks best for beginners who want a clear starting point, and for busy marketers who want to save time on content creation. It also makes sense for creators who cannot help building an email list, but want a simpler process for actually doing it. A feierlijke step-by-step training and lead assets, that is where it is offer fits well. The course is broken into practical modules. It starts with first list building, then moves into customer avatars and problem targeting. After that I get the 10-minute lead magnet system, automated traffic streams, set and forget near-dure scans, scaling strategies, advanced workflows, and finally an implementation toolkit. Dat structure maak is het veel vir hy action focus het, not just informational. One of the strongest parts of the pasje is how it connects lead magnet creation with traffic generation. It says you can use AI to create value faster, long lead magnets in minutes, and then repeat content into TikTok, Reels, Shorts, and other formats. That is a strong benefit because it helps simplify two of the hardest pieces of list building at the same time. The course also covers AI-generated emails, chatbot flows, welcome screens, and lead qualification. That is important because building a list is only the first step, keeping subscribers engaged matters too. The pasje presents these workflows as a way to stay consistent and ready manual work, which is a very practical angle for modern marketers. The offer gets even more interesting when a factor into bonuses. The pasje says I also recover complete iPowerhead business in a box bundle with 3 additional training courses, and its status a total value of over $397 included free. On top of that, there is a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is an higher of risk reduction. Overall, this feels like a solid fit if our goal is to simplify list building with AI instead of overcomplicating it. It is not trying to promise magic results. It is trying to give you workflows, templates, and a clearer system. And for the right buyer, that can be exactly what makes the difference. My honest take is that iList Building Mastery looks like a helpful, beginner-friendly training product for anyone who wants a more practical way to use AI in email marketing. The strongest points are the clear workflow structure, the focus on real implementation, and the bonus bundle that adds more value to the offer. If I want a step-by-step approach to building your list smarter, this is a sensible product to consider. If I want to check it out, use my link in the description.